Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since we've done a coin mystery pack, but that changes today. We have one right here. This was actually sent to me by a subscriber who emailed me and said that he bought one off of eBay from an estate lot with guaranteed silver. It was a $50 pack, and he wanted to know if he sent it to me, if I could review it and send it back. So he said he actually opened it himself. He thought it was better than he expected it to be. He wanted to see what I thought and also had me make a video. And then, of course, I have to send all the coins back, but I think it will be a lot of fun for us to open this together and see what he got, and if it is better than he expected for $50. So let's get into it. But really quick, before we do, if you like videos like this, if you like videos about silver stacking, coin collecting, and more, do me a favor, don't forget to go down below and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I greatly appreciate it. All right, let's open this up and see what we have. All right, guys, so we have our mystery pack ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. It's got some tape on it, so we'll use our handy dandy knife to kind of cut through the tape. This is a very dull knife, don't make fun of me, I know I need to sharpen it. All right, anyway, let's get it open, and inside I feel a letter. Okay. So, all right, I don't have to cut this, it looks like. All right, so here we go. And guys, if you want to skip this, I will put chapters down below so you can skip past the email, but let's see what he has to say. It says, Dear Silver Seeker, per our email communication, here's the mystery pack that I wanted to send you to do in a video. Here's a little background story for your viewers. I bought this from an eBay seller that claimed these were all from an old estate and guaranteed there would be all old coins and not any new US junk. I didn't have high hopes, but I liked the fun of and suspense of opening a mystery pack, so to me, it was a bit like putting money in a slot machine, except I know I won't lose all of it, or he meant it, just some, and at the same time, I have fun doing it and adding coins to my collection. When I opened it, it was better than I expected, so I thought that it would be fun to share with your channel, and then, of course, get it back, so I enclosed a $5 bill to cover the cost to ship it back. Oh, thank you. You didn't have to do that. I was happy to do that. Thank you for all you do for your channel. Or do on your channel, your subscriber MarkhamD56, and says, P.S. I have hidden intentions here. I also want you to do more mystery packs on the channel. You've stopped doing them. I know. So I appreciate it, Markham. Thank you so much. And let's go ahead and see what's in here. And I don't know, maybe this will inspire me to do some more mystery packs, but... All right, so we have a bag. And I think we... Oh, and the $5... All right, so we have the $5 bill. So thank you for that. And we will use that to send it back. And then it looks like all the coins are in a bag here. So I want to make it a suspenseful opening. So we're going to... Let's see if we can just dump these into... All right. All right, we're going to dump them in there like that so I can reach my hand in there and take them out one at a time. All right, so let's see what we have. Here we go. First coin. All right, it says 1894 Indian head US penny. And that is a little worse for wear. Let's get it out of the flip here. All right, so in 1894, Indian head cent, very circulated. In this grade, honestly, I would give this the value of about $1 to $1.25. You could probably buy these out of bins at coin shops for about $1. So we're going to say $1. So not the start I was expecting based on the fact that he said it was better than he thought, but let's keep going. There's more coins inside. All right, next up. Okay, 1932 Washington U.S. quarter. Now, I assume it's not a D or S. And it is not. So it's a Philly. So the 32 D or S would have been very valuable. Worth more than the entire pack, like what he paid for the pack. Unfortunately, it's not a 32 D or S. But it is a 1932 quarter. That's the first Washington quarter, the first year from Philadelphia. Common date, this one in this grade, I mean, you're looking at close to melt value. Right now, silver's going for like $24 per dollar. So that would make a quarter going for around $6. It's a 32, so maybe you get 7 out of it. Let's be nice and say, as a collectible piece, this is a $7 coin. So, all right, that's a little bit better. Guaranteed silver is what he said in the email. He didn't say it in the letter, but in the email, he said the lot was guaranteed silver. So there's your silver. There we go. So 1 plus 7 is 8. All right, here we go. Next up. All right, we have another Indian head. 1906 Indian head US penny. Oh, man, this one's been cleaned. You can see it has full Liberty on it, but this is far and away. Yeah, full Liberty for sure, but this one has been polished. So unfortunately, my friend, even though this one does look like it's a better condition Indian head sent, somebody was dumb and took a polishing cloth or something to it. You can tell just by the color straight out that this has been cleaned. So unfortunately, this one right here, I mean, you might be able to get a couple of dollars out of it because it does have full Liberty. That being said, being that it's cleaned, it's not going to be more than that. So let's be generous and give it a $2 value. That's going to put us at $10. I'm probably going to lose track of the actual value of this package just because, you know, I have to do it in my head as we go. But right now we're looking at 10. All right, let's keep going. And for you, I'm going to put the numbers up on the screen during editing. But for me, I'm going to probably lose track. But we're at 10 right now. All right, here we go. Next up, all right, we have a Mercury head dime. It says 1938D Winged Liberty Mercury dime. All right, so 38D is not really a better date unless it's really nice. And this one right here is not there. So unfortunately, this right here, I would consider like silver melt value. We'll call it $2.50. So that is going to be $12.50 so far in value that we have found out of this bag. 7, 8, 9, 50, 10, 11, 50, 12, 50. So 12.50 is where we are, but there are still more coins. All right, here we go. And that is silver, by the way, so it's the second silver coin. Next up. All right, we have another silver quarter. 1953 Washington quarter. And it is a Philly, not that that matters. There's no better dates than Phillies. So at $24 per dollar, this is another 6. So that is another, you know, that's $18.50 so far for the value. So we need to find some more value, but there's more coins inside. So let's go ahead and get this out. Next up, we have... All right, so we have a Barber quarter, 1909... Denver? Okay, yeah. Oh, is that 1903? Am I silly? No, that's a 9. So this is mislabeled. So that's a 19. I was like, man, 1903D. That didn't sound right. 1909 Denver Barber quarter. This one right here. I mean, it's heavily circulated. It's looks like it was actually. Yeah, this looks like it actually has environmental damage. So this is a 1909D, not a 1903D. It looks like it has environmental damage. I mean, it's still a Barber quarter. They still bring a little bit of premium because barbers, you know, they just do. Let's be generous with this one and call it an extra $9. So we were at 20. Where were we at? We were at 7, 13, 14, 15, 50, 17, 8. We were at 18.50. So let's give it. Let's say it's $7.50. So that's 19. So it's $26. We have more coins inside, but right now we're just at $26 for a $50 bag. So we still need more to go. It feels like there's 2 coins left. All right, here we go. Next up. What is that? That's a 3-cent nickel. Okay. Oh, that one is rough though. 1865 at Liberty Head US 3-cent coin. Holy smokes. Man, it was hard to tell. I had to, because I'm looking at the screen. I'm not looking in front of me as I record, and I didn't notice right away what it was because there was so much damage going on. So, I hate to say it, man. I'm hoping this isn't where you really thought that extra value is because I'd say this is probably a $3 to $5 coin at best. And that's just because it's in such bad shape. I mean, there's actual corrosion on there. Like this is not what I would put in a book. I mean, so I'm gonna generously give it $4. So $4 on that one. I did lose track of where we were. I really did. We were at 1926. So $30. So this puts us at $30 unless I've already forgotten the number. There's 1 coin left in here. And we have, okay. So we have a 1917. This is the second year Walking Liberty half dollar. Is there a mint mark? No. So in 17, there could be a mint mark on the obverse or the reverse. There is no mint mark on this. This is a 17 Philly. And it says 1917 Walking Liberty US half dollar. You know, this one right here, I mean, you're looking at a grade, the rim's worn down, you know, probably G4. This is probably a $15 coin. So worth more than melt, but in this shape, not a whole lot more. I mean, it might be 20. I mean, if it's 20 that gets us there, it gets us at 50, right? but that's really close. I'm gonna say this is conservatively 15, possibly $20 dollar coin. And with that said, unless I missed something, that is it. So this is what he got in his $50 mystery pack from an estate sale with guaranteed silver. And I will say he did get, so he got $35, $45, no, that was the diamond. $35 in face value of 90%, which is better than a lot of mystery packs. And then he got a really bad 3-cent nickel. He got a cleaned Indian head cent, and then a very circulated earlier date Indian head cent, 1800s. And then, yeah, I mean, you know, some common date silver stuff. I mean, 17 is a little bit nicer. This one's definitely worth more than melt. Probably the best coin in the lot. You know, $20 possibly. I mean, it does have a decent look to Liberty on it, but you can see the rim is wearing down. It's starting to wear down into the letters. So this is like a G4, and might get lucky and get a VG. If you get a VG, it's definitely like a $20 coin, but I think it's more like a G4. So not bad. I've seen way worse mystery packs come out of eBay than this one right here. So if you met better than expected, as in you expected $20 in value and you got $45 to $50 in value, then well done. You did actually get better than I would have expected for most eBay mystery packs. That being said, the value, you know, it's in the eye of the beholder. I do like the fact that there is a considerable amount of silver in this mystery pack. That is really good, because at the end of the day, you know, even if you just count the silver value, you didn't, like you said in the letter, you didn't lose all your money. You had a lot of fun opening it, and then this was actually a fun video for me to do. So maybe I'll do more of these in the future. It has been a while since I've done an eBay mystery pack. Maybe I'll get one ordered, and we'll share it on the channel and see how that goes. But either way, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor. Don't forget to go down below, like, and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I greatly appreciate it. And with that said, thank you, and have a fantastic rest of your day.